Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to learn how to clear the Note Payable transaction. Note Payable or check settlement is the function in SystemEver to show the report of Note Payable's payment. On top of the program, there is Toolbar panel. Here, we have the inquiry button to show the data, while journal entry is to show the original transaction journal. On this program, there are some blue areas with loop icons. These are quote help, means you may enter the first few characters and the system will show to the closest results. Let's start with some information on inquiry condition. Enter the due date range. Choose one of the bank branch if it's necessary. Select the customer or vendor. Choose the account. Choose the settlement status or the approval status. Click Inquiry to show the data. For more specific, you may also enter some information from Journal Entry table. Enter the payment bank account. Choose the bank branch or choose the account. Select the transaction, then click Journal Entry. Similar to Not Receivable Settlement Processing, this Journal Entry button will bring you to the Clearing Transaction Journal. That's the final of Not Payable or check settlement. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.